Are you ready to land your dream job with a standout resume? Today, I'll show you how to create a professional resume in Canva, even if you're a complete beginner. First, head over to Canva and find the right template. Canva offers hundreds of professionally designed resume templates, so you can choose one that fits your style and the industry you're targeting. Whether you want something sleek and modern or creative and bold, there's a template for everyone. Once you've picked your template, it's time to personalize it. With Canva's intuitive drag and drop tools, you can easily edit text, change fonts, adjust colors, and even move elements around. Add your name, contact details, education, work experience, and any relevant skills. Make sure it's clear, concise, and highlights what makes you unique. Don't stop there. Get creative with Canva's extra features. Add icons, shapes, or subtle design elements to make your resume visually appealing, but remember to keep it professional. The goal is to stand out, not overwhelm the reader. Finally, once your design is perfect, you can order prints directly through Canva or download it as a high-quality PDF to send to potential employers. With just a few clicks, you'll have a polished resume ready to impress. Creating a resume in Canva is quick, simple, and fun. Start designing today and take the first step toward landing your dream job.